Hey guys, Disney Collector here with this Hello Kitty cash register. This cash register is super adorable and a lot of fun. Time to open the box. So here's the cash register. First you have to turn it on, and then you can scan the items using the scanner. Right here we have some money. $5 bills and $10 bills. We also got this adorable Hello Kitty credit card. And some coins. First, we're gonna put away all this money. I just made some shopping and I have here a lot of groceries. Time to scan them. Don't forget to turn on your cash register. Orange juice. Fruit salad. Hot dogs. Ketchup and milk. Now let's pay. For the payment, I'm gonna use my Hello Kitty credit card. Well, I don't need any change today. And now I can start shopping all over again. The scanner has lights on the bowl and on the back to scan whatever you need to buy. You should know that when you're using the scanner, it doesn't give you a price. See? No price. You can scan anything, but the price will not change, which is too bad. I wish this Hello Kitty scanner would scan the same way as the Minnie Mouse scanner. Let me show you here. Turn it on. And then when you scan, it gives you a price. Let's scan something else. See, a different price. Let's scan the milk. Every time you scan something, you get a price. But for this Hello Kitty scanner, you have to punch in the number and then you get a total. Here you can write cute messages or even smiley faces. Have a good day! You can press any of these buttons for easy scans, but it's too bad it doesn't give you a price. And it's the same sound for every single thing. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Hello Kitty right here on Disney Collector. Have a good day everyone. Bye bye.